Hi, today let's make super tasty cucumber thambuli at home. You need to roughly chop cucumber into small pieces like this. If you're tired of eating the same dal, rasam, or if you're wanting something which is gut friendly, comforting and healthy and nice and something light on the body, I would definitely ask you to try this recipe. Now add a cucumber into this bowl which we have roughly chopped. Next I'm adding in some cumin seeds, peppercorns. I'm adding in green chilies. If you like it spicy, increase the green chilies. I've added in ginger, garlic along with some coriander leaves and grated coconut. Now transfer it to a blender, blend it into a smooth paste and keep aside. Now in a bowl I've added in curd and then I'll add in a little bit of water and whisk it into smooth, lump free, so that it's smooth and lump free and it's silky. That is what we want while eating. We don't like that lumpy things. So this is how it needs to be. Now transfer the cucumber paste into the yogurt and then again mix it really very well. See to that the curd and the cucumber paste along with all the ingredients are beautifully combined. Next you need to add in salt. You can add in the salt as per your taste and again whisk it really very well so that the salt is beautifully dissolved. Now let's make a simple tadka for this, for which I've added in oil, mustard seeds along with some dry red chilies, hing and curry leaves. When it turns crispy and nice, transfer it to a cucumber thambuli, and that's it. Your simple, tasty, gut-friendly, comforting cucumber thambuli is ready to serve. You can serve it with hot rice or sometimes you can just drink it like this. If you like my recipe, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. As I always say, enjoy.